All right, cool. We'll get started very shortly. Go over some stocks. Yeah, so we'll go live. And then at 9:30 we'll that's awesome. Your Ross at 17,000. Awesome, man. Good stuff. Yeah, we'll go live, go over some stocks. Just want to include some links. Then we'll get the party started. And then members only, we'll do the live stream on YouTube. We'll switch it over to members only around like 9:25. Let's see here. Yeah, definitely let me know the stocks that you are interested in. We'll review them at the end. Got the WAP chat up right here. Let's just share that. Boom. That's cool. And then hopefully your trading weeks are going smooth. The market's been pretty bullish, so it's kind of hard to have a bad trading week. The markets only want to go up. And we have ASML earnings. Just want to put a few of these links in. There we go. Jay Young, what's going on, dude? So, Jay Young, I was looking at how you were up 25% this year. It's pretty sick. 25% gains this year. He's doing it with options. He's doing long-term trading. He's doing it all. So it's really impressive to see. Jay Young is part of our WAP. If you're on TikTok on this live stream, you can see it in the bio. You can join there. And then also where I am, you can join on my YouTube as well. I'm just posting a few links on the YouTube channel, on the YouTube live stream for you guys, whether you want the WAP, the YouTube member, or the Gemini, you get that as well. So pretty cool. I love seeing people make money. That makes me happy. Shows what we're doing is worth it, and people are becoming profitable. Just want to log into my Fidelity After Trader Pro on my other laptop. Let's get this to pop up. Perfect. There we go. All right, so let's go over some stocks. Let's get right into it. Appreciate you guys hitting the thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. Let's go over some stocks. What's important? It's amazing how much nothing can kill this stock market. It doesn't matter. The stock market is just on a bull run of 2025. This is a bull run of 2025 right here. And when you look at this company has completely blasted up. QQQs, retesting, staying above $600 per share. If you look at it on the 1 month chart, it's clear as day. We are looking for a monstrous move up here. If we break above 613 again, that's going to continue the ride. And honestly, if you're day trading, I really just feel like it just makes the most sense to be looking at semis, looking at semiconductors. Companies like AMD are blasting to the moon. You got NVIDIA, you got ASML earnings. It's like that time. So clear as day, we need to hold that $600 level on Qs. And you're looking out for that rejection point there. SPY SPY we are looking at here, we want to see we're at 667. 674 is our ultimate resistance. We're watching that level here, but you do have support right down at 650 is where it did bounce. So that's psychological spot right there at 650. If we do get that pullback, just to give you a little idea, if we do get that pullback, it's only a 3 to 4% pullback right there for the SPY. What's more important to me right now, and I want to do this quicker because it's already 9:02. If you're looking at this, I really feel like you got to pay attention to SMH. You got to watch this. I definitely would be looking at for highs here. Let's see if we break 348 here, and I think it's very clear as day. If you're going to be watching this, we were consolidating in this 282 to 300. Now that we're way above this, found support at that 320 level. Now, next consolidation zone is going to have to stay above this. We have that nice little bull flag that formed right here, and then blasted even higher, confirming that level at 320. Right there, 318, marked it, retested it, bounced back up, look for rejections at 348, 350. That is something that I would be looking for with that. Let's go over some Mag 7 because Jay Young, ASML didn't have their earnings today, yeah, right? No earnings for them. It's later on today, I believe. I'm going to check the news real quick. Or did they report earnings this morning? NVIDIA puts, if you're buying NVIDIA puts, watch SMH. You're looking for that 348 right there. But let's jump to NVIDIA, and then we'll hit all the rest of the Mag 7s here. So 183 was a monstrous level. We'll say anywhere from 183 to 185 was really a technical level that was being rejected consistently by NVIDIA. And now it's looking to reclaim this level. So you can see it did break down to 178, came up. The only way I'd be rejecting or going short on NVIDIA is if we were to break below this. So we'd have to break below this 183, 184, retest, and then make a lower low. That's what I'd be looking for with NVIDIA. See, I didn't realize that ASML had their earnings right. I mean, that makes sense why they're $1,000 per share. We'll jump to ASML real quick. ASML with their earnings. I mean, I'm not trading these guys at $1,000 per share. I mean, they were trading at 700 like less than 6 months ago at 680. So if you bought that dip, congrats, you earned your money. But looking at them right now, 1,000, it's clear as day. 1,100, 1060 is your next rejection point on them. Let's go over what should be in the Mag 7, AVGO. I'm just sticking to the semiconductors real quick because I think that's most important for today, especially with the catalyst that we got going on. AVGO needs to hold this 350 level. They constantly keep breaking below it. They've been breaking the low 340s, and now they're trying to get this level. If they can hold 350 and then make a move higher, that's what I'd be looking for with them. Next, I want to break down Apple stock. Apple stock is at 250. Very simple. It had a nice sell-off down to 237, scared people out. If it holds 250, we're looking to go higher. That's it on them. I mean, just put yourself in the grand scheme of things here. Apple's trading in the middle of the trend. It's middle of the trend. What has it been doing every time? It's been rejecting down. Rejection here, rejection here. I'm going to look hopefully for a rejection at a 250. That would be nice on Apple. Next, I want to break down Tesla stock. I hold this company long term in the YouTube portfolio. For those of you that are new to watching this, we have them around $220 per share. So we're sitting here pretty just watching them, just waiting and seeing. That's kind of what we're doing right now. So here, 436, looking for the rejection on Tesla at $445 per share, 442 to 445. You could just see we've had multiple points of rejections. And what is Tesla going to do if the market is not strong? If QQQ goes weak, I think it's going to pull back if we can get that. But the market's been insanely bullish, so definitely keep an eye on right now. Google stock looking to make higher highs, retest this $256 level. It's got to get above 250 first. Let's see what it does here at this level. And I really just would be watching if you're going to be trading the big sevens today. I would be watching the cues, and let's see if it rejects up here around 609, 610. That would start to give you an inclination. Okay, it's starting to go a little weaker. Let's go from there. That's kind of what I'm looking at for this. I want to continue watching it and just making sure that if you're going to trade the big guys and you're looking for rejection spots, line them up, and then go from there. Let's see here. Amazon's a stock. I made Amazon was a good. Let me show you guys on the TikTok because I have the live stream on YouTube, but I'll show you the last business day on Amazon, how much money we made, which was really nice. So let me just show you this right here. What's going on here? So Amazon here. This is what we made on Amazon. We made $1,646, and I just want to show you guys because you're on the TikTok right now. Not all accounts. If you go to year to date. We were up $107,652. For those of you who think I'm a fake trader, this is Fidelity Active Trader Pro. This is real trading. So we're doing pretty well this year, which is awesome. And you can see the biggest gains here. Look at UNH. We made over $37,000. Then you move to Tesla. We made over $13,000. NVIDIA, over $18,000 on it. So I trade mainly big caps, but you just got to trade what works for you. So for me, I like trading big caps. I like trading the mid caps. It's really whatever works for you is good. But I just wanted to show you those gains. Not everybody on YouTube is fake. Everybody thinks just because you have a YouTube channel, it seems like I was reading the forums on Reddit and stuff. It seems like people just think you have a fake channel. You know, you're just trying to make money. But I genuinely just like trading. I have the WAP. I have the YouTube channel. We have members in the WAP. And it's nice to see everybody's making gains. And it's easier to call out with the community. So if you're interested in the community, check out the YouTube channel. Go to the where are the gains? He's got a look at this, Jay Young. See, Marcus James says, "I believe, but we still see TV." Yeah, I mean, you could literally just go. You're a member of my channel. Just go right on the post. It shows it right there, and my last previous video shows it. All right. So, anyways. Let's break down. We have Amazon's 218. So Amazon's very interesting lately. I've been scalping them like crazy because I know they have earnings coming up. And if you're looking at Amazon, I just feel like they need to hold this level. If they don't hold this level, I've been waiting for them to break and go back to 210, but they've just been so stubborn. So I've been buying these dips around 215, 214. But strict stop loss, because if we break below this 215, it's going to head down to this 212, which is not that strong of a support level. Because if you look back at the 1 month, there's not much here. I mean, you're marking at the 216 here. Yeah, Jay Young. I mean, I literally, you know what I'm going to do for the, you know what I'm going to do for Marcus, Jay Young? I'm going to give him the, we'll just send him the WAP link. I mean, you got to pay to see the WAP link. All the gains are in there. Everybody will vouch. It's all good. Just go on the top right there. You can see it. Pin message. So I just pinned it. It's pinned. There you go. Just join that WAP and you'll see it. All right, so here we go. So we're watching that level. And then on the 3 month here, boom, 212. 212, 212, 212, multiple spots. I just want to see, I would love to see Amazon break down a little further, down to 200 before earnings. I don't think we're going to get it, unfortunately. But I hope we do. That's what we're looking for. But right now, it is consolidating in this range. And if you can continue trading at 215 and follow a stop loss, not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. All right, so I think Bank of America had their earnings too. I just want to see what they did real quick. It looks like Bank of America did well according to the charts. Looking right here, look at that massive move up, $50 to $52. Okay, so this is an easy play to do. I like this trade idea. So follow your own advice, but this is what I'm looking at for this. So if they pull back and retest this $50, I'm going to be scalping this today. Bank of America right here, boom, boom. Let's just take a look at the earnings and just see what it did. But you have held this psychological support level at $50. This is scalping territory. This is kind of how I trade. Bank of America gained market share. Q3 sees more. Okay, so Bank of America says that they're thinking 2 more rate cuts. Very interesting. So we'll see if we get that pullback. Let me just see what that pullback would be. Yeah, 3% pullback, not bad. Jay Young, it's like, it's funny, right? People, they won't join the WAP for, you know, $7, $10 a month, but they'll just try to trade on their own with no experience. And the WAP, you're getting over like 20 investors. It's incredible. You get all different eyes looking at stocks, calling out BBI at $3, calling out Open at $3-4, me calling out Google, Tesla, UNH, all earlier this year in April. I mean, there were so many gains to be made. It's incredible. Let's see what other stocks. Jaeyoung, what are you looking at? BMNR? BMNR. Yeah, this stock, so I'm still waiting on these guys. I want to see them die a little bit more. They got to get above this $55 per share. If they don't, then that's definitely looking a little weak there. Yeah, and I trade on a separate laptop from this. I trade on a separate on like a separate laptop because I have a MacBook Pro and it cannot handle a live stream plus trading plus that. Everybody in the WAP tells me I got to get a new computer, but I haven't done it. I haven't pulled the trigger on it. Yeah, let's check out Mara. Yeah, Mara. See, Mara really just trades with crypto. So I mean, you get like if you can time it with crypto, you can do well. Just be very cautious. Yeah, I know that's what I love about Jaeyoung. He's not giving up. He's not giving up the trades. They're all in the WAP. Yeah, Mara. I don't know about long term, Marcus, but I definitely am interested in short term trading it. But I really like looking at this chart. I'm not really sure where to tell you where to go with this. I mean, this is really up and down, up and down, up and down. You know. XRP was a golden opportunity that day. I picked up some shares, but I just wasn't quick enough to get it down at $1.46. I mean, that was just crazy. Appreciate you guys hitting the thumbs up. Thanks, guys. And definitely just, if you guys can, it's 9:15. I'm going to put the members only in 15 minutes on the YouTube channel. And if you want access to this, you just got to become a member. I think it's like $2 a month or something like that. And I already gave out the 10 free memberships, so enjoy this. So I'll make this in 15 minutes. This will switch over to members only on the YouTube channel. And it's really interesting because I'm looking at these stocks and I'm not even sure which one I'm going to be looking to trade. Amazon I'm watching, but it's already at 218. I'm going to need a pullback to at least 215 to even start getting interested in this stock. And then you also have perfect. And then you also have, let me see here. You know what was interesting was that stock Race. Did you guys see Race? Let me just bring it up real quick. Race has been selling off like crazy. Ferrari, this stock has completely died in the last week. Look at this sell-off. This is death right here. This reminds me of UNH. 505 to 380. Is anybody, I got to look up the specific news on these guys. They pulled back already 25%. That's a monstrous pullback. Manning, what's up, man? So Race has really pulled back too. I still cannot pull the trigger on this. I have to do research on this. I got to make a video on this stock. I don't know enough about it. Are any of you guys holding this stock? Because my recommendation is you don't want to just buy a stock because everybody is you know, look at UNH, right? That shit died. But I'm not sure where would be the support level on this. I mean, obviously everybody can see it's 382. Everybody can see that. It's clear as day right here. It's a 25% pullback. But when you look at the news, like really where is it, you know? And yeah, the Ferrari EV, I don't know. This is just my personal opinion. It's not correct, but if I'm going to buy an electric vehicle, I'm just going to buy a Tesla. I just feel like, why would I go with other companies? I'd rather get a car that can actually drive itself. For me, that's the whole point of getting the EV cars. And a Ferrari, I don't know if I'd really want it to be electric, to be honest. I think I'd rather just, you know, drive it how it traditionally was. Why not? Solana, we had that dip by to 150. I hope you guys picked up some shares on that. In the WAP, we were talking about that, which was awesome. And then if you're looking overall, Bitcoin is at 111,000 right now. Bitcoin is definitely offering opportunities, and it's really scary to buy up here, but you just have to kind of think about, you know, what matters to you most. Let me see here, tracking links. Oh, here we go. Marcus, I'm going to send you this link, all right? It's going to be, anybody can do it. There's only 2 spots left, but I'm going to send you, because you're so skeptical about my gains, I'm going to send you the discount for WAP, all right? That's 50% off. That's just for you, buddy. So if you want it, there it is. It's in the YouTube live stream right now. And there's only two spots left for it. So if you want it, it's all yours. $7.50 a month. I don't think it's going to kill you. Guys, we called this stock out. This is incredible. This is another play in the WAP. $47. Dutch Bros reclaiming that $50. And now we're starting to blast off to the moon. Looking at Dutch Bros. Excellent entries at 47, 48. This is something that we need to pay attention to. On the 3-month chart, there is clear rejection points around $57. If we get up here, this is a potential either take profits, but here you go. Yeah, just do the monthly subscription, man. You don't have to. I appreciate you looking to do the yearly. Just do the monthly. Test it out for yourself. I'm telling you, you're gonna like it. You see all the members on here with Manning, and you have Jay Young, a bunch of people. They're always talking on it. You'll enjoy it. It's a genuine, actual trading community. They do options, long-term investing, short-term investing. We have long-term portfolios on there. Everything's on there. Everybody's just trying to make money and build wealth. That's all it is. It's just a nice community. Anyways, here we go. Enough for advertising. So $58. We have that rejection on Dutch Bros. Definitely be cautious. Look for right here. If you're looking to get into Dutch Bros, remember we do have earnings coming up. We got earnings coming up. And the thing that I really want to pay attention to here is if we get a retest of the $50.50, I'm okay with that. I'm okay re-entering or even adding to the position here. I think this is an interesting position here, right here. Let's see if we can hold 50.5 if we get that pullback. I don't think we're going to get it. I think it's going to keep going up, to be honest. So Dutch Bros is definitely a play that you need to be paying attention to. And if you already are in the WAP, you've already known about this play for the last 2 weeks. What other stocks? Guys, Starbucks. You guys know I bought that dip. We got over $10,000 invested in Starbucks now. Collecting my dividend. And that's where we're at right now. So we're looking at the dividend. Collecting the 10. We got 10 grand into it. This is in the YouTube portfolio. And I was calling this out the other day. I said, guys, this is a major bear flag that is forming right here. And I'm holding the stock. I know it's going to sell off potentially. And boom, there it was. Breaks to $83. Sells off. Now, I didn't sell. I just bought more shares under $80 per share. Just continuing to dollar cost average. Continuing to dollar cost average. That's all it is. That's all it is. So that's what I'm looking for here. Hey, I appreciate it. We got a new member of the WAP, guys. Please welcome him in. And just to give you a quick little runaround, since Marcus, since you are on the WAP now, check out the chat. That's the main part right there. So let me just put this in here. I always like to make sure everybody's welcome here. Yeah, you'll see when you go into the WAP. Let's just do a quick little thing. Yeah, so under the WAP right there, you can see you got the chat, you got the beginner's course is the long-term portfolio. I just posted that, one of my retirement portfolios that I have. You have the options tracker, stock ideas, my portfolio that you can see for the YouTube channel. It's all on there, man. So, and if you need any help, you got Jay Young, Manning, you got Oz, you got a bunch of guys in there. You got John in there. They'll all help you out, which is awesome. Guys, Starbucks, I'm buying for a reason. I built up this position, $10,000 in them in the YouTube portfolio. And for me, I like seeing that we have potential support around $75 to $78. Now, am I buying at good times? No, I'm buying at a weak time. Right now, the stock with all the price and all the price action, all that, yeah, of course, it doesn't look too good. But I'm going to continuously, hold on to this for now. I believe if we can get a turnaround, I like the CEO, Brian Nichols. If we get that push back up, and that's a big reason why I'm in the stock. Brian Nichols with Chipotle, and now he's with Starbucks. Even just back up to 100%, I'm getting a 25% return on my $10,000 position. That's a $2,500 return. Collecting my dividends in the meantime. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Let's see what else we got here. Microsoft. You think they're short in crypto again? Why? You say they're short in why? What news article you see on what? Is Starbucks a call today? I would be careful with Starbucks. If I were you, I'd be looking more for Starbucks. I'm doing long-term holds. I'm looking more for long-term holds. Got them in the YouTube portfolio. If you want, you can try to trade that $80 bounce. But for me, that's not really what I'm looking for. I would be looking for semis. But if you strictly just want to look at Starbucks, you did have that bounce at $80. But you got to hold $80 per share. Realistically get above $82 to even start showing any signs of bullishness that there's an actual turnaround going on. All right, guys, Tesla, watch your levels. Make sure that when you trade Tesla, you are creating your stop loss at 416. 416 is a monstrous number because when you go back on the 1 year chart, you can see that we've had a bunch of consolidation in this level and it's rejected. So if Tesla does not hold 416, it's time to get out. But for me, I'm holding shares at 220, so you do what you got to do. Yeah, semiconductor, thanks. Appreciate that, Jay Young. So. All right, guys, let's see here. What else we got? So the WAP loves open, so we got to look at open real quick. Let's look at open. Open is starting to show some weakness here, and we have one more insider selling, I believe, right, Jay Young? And Jay Young, what we could do is at 9:30, I'll end the TikTok and I'll join the Discord. We can just chat on the Discord for, the 30 minutes, no problem. We'll do that till 10. I'll still live stream on the YouTube channel, but we'll Discord live chat on that. So make sure you send Marcus, the one that just joined the WAP, make sure you allow him to join the Discord just so he can, see what we're looking at. I mean, he'll be able to see it on the YouTube live stream, but he'll also have it on the Discord, and I feel like that's more valuable because you can actually hear the voice. All right, guys, it's 9:26. I'm going to end the TikTok live stream. Jay Young, I'm going to go on the Discord, so if you could just message me, let's meet up on the Discord and do the voice chat. Pinning your message, Manning. You're making me look good. Love it. Guys, in 3 minutes, we're switching over to members only live stream. I need to activate I'm trying to figure out how to do it on TikTok. How to activate a members only live stream. I will do that in the future for TikTok as well. But right now, YouTube is my main thing. YouTube pays me money. I get revenue share and stuff. Yeah, it's like $100, maybe $100, $200 a month, but it adds up, which is nice. So we appreciate it, and it all goes to the YouTube portfolio. So that just helping that account get bigger and bigger and bigger. And it looks like Amazon's starting to pull back here. Guys, thanks so much for tuning into the TikTok live stream. We're going to end this now. Appreciate you guys tuning in on this. Go to the live stream on YouTube if you want to continue and chat with us. It is okay. So I ended the TikTok live stream. I'll go on the Discord for that. It is cool with the. It is pretty cool. The TikTok, because it really gets a lot of reach. It sees a lot more customers, which is nice. A lot more peeps. What's going on here? Hey, what's up, man? Can you hear me? Yeah, I'm trying to switch you to speaker. How's it sound now? How's the volume? Is it okay? All right, sweet. Guys that are members on the YouTube channel, just check out the Discord. You do the live stream through there. Yeah, what's up, man? What's going on, dude? Yeah, whatever you want to do. Either the scanner or if it's a stock we're looking at, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna be watching. We're gonna be watching Bros. If Bros pulls back, I'm interested. I don't think it's gonna pull back, to be honest. I'm interested in Amazon right now. Amazon is starting to pull back right at the market. Right at the market, it's pulling back again like it always does. Amazon loves to die at the market for some reason. I know you're always against it, and I'm like, bro, like you have to look at the fact that.
Nah, that's because you scalping Amazon. You buying all that shit, bro. I ain't got time to be doing it. I'll have to liquidate. I'll have to sell my options to start doing what scalping at $200 some a share.
No, but you can still. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Amazon was selling off. It just popped. All right, guys. I'm watching Amazon at that 2.